file an FIR.
Yeah, go file an FIR.
Do that. You
I'm going to file an FIR against this.
Go file an
Please pick
Take
up my
my
phone.
picture.
Pick up my phone. Please pick up my phone. Bhupen, I'm going to file an FIR against this guy. I'm going to file an FIR against this guy.
You did.
You hit me.
How did?
Mr. Tariq Fateh, you hit me.
Oh,
How
fuck you.
How dare you hit me? Mr. Fateh, how dare you use your hands on me? Mr. Fateh, how did you use your hands on me? How can you use my hands
I didn't
on me?
even touch
you. You used your hands
I
on me?
didn't touch you.
Bhupen Chaubey, he pushed me and used his hands on me.
Let him
How did you use your hands on me? How can you use your hands on me? How can you use your hands on me?
No,
What
I
have I
didn't.
done that you can use your hands on me?
Yaar.
What can you?
Got this.
Why can you use your hands on me?
I did not use any
Oh,
hands
really?
on you.
You pushed me
No.
and you threw my
You
phone.
won't take my
Everybody
picture.
is witness to it
Yes.
and it's been recorded here.
Arre, jao bhaiya.
Please.
Go serve Temu.
Mr. Fateh, you should be in your limits.
एक second.
You should be in your limits,
Just a
Mr.
second.
Fateh.
Let me
You should be in your limits. Huh? Do it, Mr. Fateh, do it. This is the real face of Tariq Fateh. This is it. This is it. Violently beating me up in front of Bhupen Chaubey, who was here to witness it, and a lot of people. This is the real face of Mr. Tariq Fateh. Beats up Indian citizens, calls them fucker, calls them a whole lot of abuses. Here, Mr. Fateh, why don't you say something more? You want to say something else? You're on a visa, stay on that visa, Mr. Fateh. You're on a visa. You're not a citizen in this country. Maybe if your parents had chosen the right country, they would have been. Sorry, you're not a citizen. Anything else, Mr. Fateh? You want to hit me again? It's all on camera. It's all on camera, sir. Thank you. You call our police napunsak. You call our elected CMs abuses. You call our country to be broken up. You call for hatred amongst communities. No, sir. I will want to ask you if he can touch me, if he has a right to touch me. Does he have a right to touch me? He does not have a right to. It's been recorded, sir. Don't worry about it. Your lies won't work. His abuses have been recorded. Yeah. So, fair enough. This is the democracy. This is democracy. I can have the right to say what I want. But Mr. Fateh, please stay in your limits, sir. हाँ कहाँ रह गया बताओ जरा बताओ